So let's understand what is the meaning of routing. So I have written this program and it's just printing the request.url. So let's just try to run this program. So let's provide here node and our file name is server.js. Press enter. Let's go to our Chrome. Type here localhost 3000 and you can see slash. This is our route. This is our basic home route. You can see this is slash. Let's suppose I have provided here, let's say about, and press enter and you can see slash about. So this is the route which is requesting for about slash about section. So let's say I have to provide particular file on particular route. So let's say I have given here a condition which is saying that request.url. If request.url is slash, then I want to provide here an index.html file. So let's just provide this coding. Let me cut and paste. Let's just uncomment it. If you are not aware of this code, so kindly check out my previous videos. So I'm just sorry for that. I'm just providing here index.html. Let's provide index.html content. So let's do index.html and provide here. Let's say this is home page and let's say provide some quick data. And now let's try to run this. So let me rerun this. So node server.js and you can see home page and this is fake paragraph. Now let's provide here something else. Let's say I have requested for about page and I want about page on the request of about section. So let's say let's provide here about dot html. Let's say this is about html and let's provide here about page about us. You can just click data and let's provide here condition which is else if request.url is equals to slash about then serve the page of about us. So let's just copy paste here and change this name to about.html and let's just check. So let's provide here about. I think we have to rerun it. So let's say node.js and you can see this is about page and let's request for home page. You can see again let's request for about page and you can see. Let's say I have not provided any particular page for this kind of request. So if I want to provide here any error page on the on any different kind of request, so let's just create a 204.html and let's provide here 204 page. Let's see 404 and let's say error page and let's provide here I think this is our file server.js. So if request.url is slash means home, then just providing this home page. If it is about, then just providing about us. And if it's unknown request, then I'm providing. Let me just copy and just provide here 404. And if these two conditions are not satisfying, then this code will run. So Let's just rerun it, and let's request for about, and you can see about. Let's provide here something, let's say content, and you can see this is 404 error page. So this is how basic routing is working in Node.js. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.